Okay, guys, today we are going to talk about version control and examples of version control and types of version control. Yeah, so I'll start by explaining what's version control about. Yeah, version control is also known as a source control, which is practice of tracking and managing changes to software code. And also version control system are system tools that helps software team manage changes to source code over time. Yeah, and we have two types of version control. That's centralized version control and distribute version control. Yeah, so I'll explain what's centralized version control is. Yeah, so we are going to talk about centralized system. That's centralized version control. Is one of which is single enterprise of group of entities and has control over the system and its sources. In a centralized system, all decisions and actions are made by a central authority, which can be a person, an organization, or a computer system. The central authority has has complete over the system and all communication and data transfer occurring through it. Yeah, and when we talk about distributed version control, is one which has no single entity and has complete control over the system. Instead of the system is composed of multiple independent nodes and agents that's communicated and coordinated, which each of them achieve a common goal. Each node has its own resources and can make decisions locally without needing to consult a central authority. Communication and data transfer occur between nodes and the system as a whole. Yeah, I hope you are trying to get. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. And we are going to talk about example of version control, which is Git. Git is the most popular version control in the world. You would like to know about more about Git. Yeah, GitHub is the most popular version control system because it is free, fast, open source, and scalable. Yeah, and GitHub is a free and open source distributed version control designed to manage code repos. It was created by Linus Torvald, yeah, Linus Torvald in 2000 to manage the development of the Linux kernel, but it has since it became one of the most widely used version control system in the software development industry. Um, Git also Git also developers track changes to code over time, collaborated with other developers and manage code branches and merges, which Git developers can work on the same code base this year can manage to work on the same code base without worrying about the conflict of overwriting each other's work. Git is distributed, meaning that each development has a complete copy of the code repo, including in entire history. Yeah, this makes it easier to work offline or remotely, or it also provided a backup in case of the central repo in loss of what corrupted. Some popular platform that use Git included GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. These platforms provide web design interface for managing Git repos, as well as tools for code review, issue tracking, and continuously integration and development. Okay, I still on the Git. Yeah, I want to show you the Git in the Visual Studio Code. Yeah. The network is running to. Okay. We go to the terminal, new terminal, just to test our Git, which is our Git version. Okay. Git version version yeah. You can see our get version is 2.39.2 Windows 1 and its programming is what mini project. Yeah. So um oh, okay, let's continue. Okay, do let's do get add. Yeah, get okay. You get it. So it did not match any files. So let's do get status just to know what's status. Okay. Okay, get status. Change no stage for commit deleted, meaning we deleted our source server. Yeah. So that's the get status. Yeah, that's the get status. So we go to get comment. Um, first, first. Okay. So I'm not seeing. Okay. Okay. So server they've deleted the server, so the server is here. We are trying to just test how Git works because most of the developers uses Git and Git is popular, free, very fast. Yeah, as you can see, Git is very fast and very very popular. So, today we are going to use experience all the Git, Git log, Git log, Git log, Git log. Okay, you can see my name is there. You can see the date, everything, the final work. Yeah, and Git help. Let's Git help. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, Git help. Git help. Yeah. So you can see let's get help. Let's try and get command help too. Let's try. I try on the get get command help. Command command. Yes. So where are you? Oh, we are on the Everyone dream. And when they come in, and when they come in, get status, get oh, get add or get add or get comments, add hello. Get. So line bɛ no meyɛ adeɛ wabɛgya a woyɛ me sei. Adeɛ na meyɛ no yɛ serious maso ayɛ hwee. Wabɛgya a woyɛ sei no wopɛ sɛ wo lose ma me lose focus. Ɛkɔ na me lock m'adeɛ. Na me lock adeɛ. Get badge minus.
Writing the code means, and I remove it. You know, then you go on it, so I might come with you.
Get remote add original. Get remote add original.
Yeah, I'm thinking,
in it. Can So as you can see, we bring the end to this. Yeah, that's version control example, which is Git. So as I was saying, Git is very popular, which is the in which the those developing software, writing code, they usually use it, and it's free and very fast and scalable. Yeah, so yeah, we bring to the end of our written. Thank you.